खाना खाने के बाद पान खाओ। पान को लोगों ने बना लिया कि ये तो नशे की चीज है, जबकि वो नशे की चीज नहीं था मैडम। पान का पत्ता जो शरीर को गर्मी देता है, औषध है अपने आप में। उसके ऊपर लगा दिया कत्था, उसके ऊपर लगा दिया चून, ये कैल्शियम का काम करता है। फिर उसके अंदर रख दिया एक लौंग, फिर उसके अंदर एक इलायची, फिर उसके अंदर रख दी सौंफ, उसको लपेटा खा लिया, पूरा डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम ठीक हो गया।
अगर इनके हिसाब से पान से डाइजेशन इंप्रूव होता है तो फिर सिगरेट्स से लंग्स भी ठीक हो जाना चाहिए, राइट? मतलब पॉडकास्ट में आके कुछ भी बक देते हैं लोग बिना लॉजिक या साइंटिफिक एविडेंस के। सी पान यूजुअली comprises of tuna, cardamom and cloves. Yes, pan leaves do contain certain compounds that increase the production of saliva, which to some extent does help with digestion, and clove and cardamom on the other hand provides temporary relief to gas. But let's be clear, this is not any kind of deep or long-term digestive fix. Now, the tuna part. It definitely does not improve calcium absorption, and there is no kind of solid scientific evidence to support that claim. In fact, regular consumption can do more harm than good. It can cause several mouth problems like irritation, ulcers, enamel damage, and even gut-related issues like irritation, acidity, bloating, and long-term dependency type digestive problems. And I'm not saying this theoretically. I'm genuinely dealing with or have dealt with many clients who face issues like bloating, acidity, and digestion. And in most of these cases, this particular habit were aggravating their symptoms. But the good news is that when I removed this simple habit and other triggers which were not this habit related from their routine and focused on simple yet effective scientific evidence-based remedies, their digestion improves significantly. I usually recommend 3 basic remedies that will help you with reducing gas, bloating, and acidity. If you want to know what they are, comment gut below and I'll send you those 3 basic remedies right away.